I made an iconic knife, and I'd argue, now that's a knife. Stick around and I'll show you how I built it. This project was a lot more challenging than my previous knife builds, mainly because I used 3 different types of wood for the handle, and I know I didn't go about the most effective way to assemble the handle. Please help me out in the comments. What's the best way to make these things? I struggled something fierce trying to get both sides to cooperate. Spoiler alert, I was able to turn this into this, but I hope you enjoy watching me build this for the first time. So I drew out a template and traced it onto a piece of mahogany. For the handle, I chose cherry for the guard and the ends. I wanted those pieces to be light in color. I needed a dark wood next to the cherry, so I chose walnut. For the center of the handle, I felt the purple heart would go well with the other colors. Here I'm using my crosscut sled to cut the pieces into more manageable sizes to work with. The next task was to resaw a couple of the handle pieces to get them closer to the thickness I wanted. My bandsaw is not capable of doing this, so I carefully used my table saw. I sneaked the blade up towards the center over a few passes on each side so there's only a thin strip left in the middle. Once there's only a thin strip left down the middle, it's really easy to split it. My pole saw still leaves a little strip, so here I'm just going to use a hand plane to flatten it out. If you don't have a hand plane, a sander or even a chisel could work. Now that I have all the pieces shaped, it's time to put it all together. This is when I realized I may have made this a little more difficult than it had to be. I cut each piece out individually with my bandsaw, and here I'm trying to fit it all together. It came out about as good as expected, but doing it this way leaves a ton of room for error. I'm thinking I should have first glued the different pieces of wood together in strips just like you would for a cutting board, then trace out and cut out the shape of the handle. I may try to do that next time, but please let me know in the comments how you would have approached this. Here's the moment of truth. Time to see if the knife scales will actually fit. The end is near. Now we're on the home stretch. This 1-inch sander by Win is perfect for shaping my handles and blades. This is the first time I'm building a knife with a fuller. I decided to go with a round file. The next time I do this, I may use a router and complete this step a lot earlier in the process. Alright, this is looking like a knife. I sanded this thing by hand, starting with 80 grit, then 120, 240, topped the grain with some water, then 240 again. I use Odie's oil to finish my knives. It's so easy to apply. I only need to do one coat and buff it out and done. It really does bring out the color, you don't need to wear gloves, and it smells great. For the 4 of y'all who are still watching, thank you so much for making it this far. I really hope you enjoyed the video because I truly had a blast making this. I've already designed my next iconic knife and I hope you come back to watch me build it.